So most people solve this question like 28 minus 8 is equal to 20. Then 4 multiply 3 is equal to 12. Okay. Now 4 divided by 4 divided by 20 is equal to 5, and 4 divided by 12 is equal to 3. So the answer is 5 upon 3. But this answer is not correct. So now let's solve this problem correctly by using a PEMDAS rule. Okay. According to PEMDAS rule, first priority is parentheses, then second priority is exponents, then third priority is multiplication and division. Here multiplication and division both have equal priority, so we have to solve it from left to right. And fourth and last priority is addition and subtraction. And also addition and subtraction both have equal priority, so we have to solve it from left to right. In this question we have one subtraction, one division and one multiplication. So first we have to solve multiplication and division, and both have equal priority, so we have to solve it from left to right. So first we have to solve this division. Is equal to 28 minus, now 8 divided by 4 is equal to 2 multiply 3. Okay, so now first we have to solve multiplication, then we have to solve subtraction. So 28 minus, now solve this multiplication, 2 multiply 3 is equal to 6. Now 28 minus 6 is equal to 22. So the correct answer is 22. Okay.